Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, or rich culture.
This is YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode in Season 3. So it is Restaurant Week.
Yes, it is here in Jamaica. It's
Right.
from November 10 to 18, 2017.
Mm-hmm.
So we decided to come to somewhere today for
Yeah.
Restaurant Week. Where
So
do you go?
we chose the Pegasus,
Yeah.
and they have a restaurant called the.BlueWindow.
Yes.
And we came here and we had a nice time.
Lunch buffet,
A lunch
yeah.
buffet,
They
yeah.
have a lunch buffet here. So for those of you who don't know what Restaurant Week is, they have different categories. And we actually came to the one that's Nyam and Scram. It's kind of like a lunchtime one. Restaurant Week is usually like in the evening, in the night,
But
at
this
different
year-
restaurants. But they do have a Nyam and Scram section for lunchtime meals. And so that's what we came to here at the
Right.
Blue Window at the Jamaica Pegasus.
Do a little lunch date, you know. So if you want to see more of what we did today, what we eat and how
Yes.
was it, stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so welcome back. As we stated before, we are here at the Jamaica Pegasus and we came to the Blue Window restaurant. They do have a buffet, and so they have had an array of vegetables, meats. They had stew beef. I had some stew beef. They had fish. Sean had some fish.
Yeah, fish.
They had stew peas as well. Veggie stew peas,
right.
yeah. So Sean had that, I didn't have that. They had chicken, they had rice, pumpkin rice.
Pumpkin rice.
They had breads, and of course when we started we got a cup of
Pea
soup.
soup.
Yeah, I had red pea soup.
Red
They had
pea
pepper pot, but both of us wanted red pea soup.
soup, which was red
And then
pea
we ended with our dessert. What was the dessert?
So I had a carrot cake, cheesecake, and toto. That's what I had.
Yeah. Did you have bread pudding as well?
Oh yeah, I had the bread pudding. Right.
Yes, I had
I always
the
watch my plate.
I had the carrot cake, the toto, and also what they call a coconut mousse.
Right.
I think I did have a cheesecake as well. I took one of the cheesecake bites, and they were pretty good. We also had to drink. They had a variety of fruit drinks,
Right.
and we had
Guava pineapple.
pineapple.
Right,
Yeah, so that was good. And we had a nice waitress. She was very pleasant. She asked us if everything was okay. So the service was pretty good. Yeah, overall the atmosphere was really nice. You know, we sat close to the window where we
Right,
could see the pool
Right,
area
that was
and
good.
so forth, and that was pretty cool. So
Right.
overall we had a really good time. Our belly full, and you know we love when the belly full.
Yeah.
So yeah, overall it was a good time.
Right, it was worth the price. The Nyam and Scram here is $1,700.
Yes, $1,700 for the
And
buffet.
again, you can go and eat as much as you want, as much as your belly allows you to take
That's
in.
right.
You know what I mean? But the food was really great. The pumpkin rice that I had the veggie stew, the fish. It's a small fish. When I saw the foil with the fish, I was like, but when I opened, it was like a fish fillet, right? With steamed vegetables. And then what else? I had the chicken salad. You know, I had chicken salad, so I chose those were my meat kind. But it was good. The taste was really nice. And then I had again the dessert was really nice as well. I'm a lover of cheesecake if you have not known that. So I will always, when I say cheesecake, I definitely get some cheesecake, yeah? So it was really good. The taste was really good. Again, as Devon said, the atmosphere and the service, thumbs up.
Yeah. So out of 5, what would you rate them?
Out of 5, I will give them a 4.5 out of 5.
And I would give them a 3.5. I feel like they could have had a lot more variety. They didn't have anything like macaroni or potato salad,
Pasta.
or pasta in terms of the
Variety.
the starches. They had a lot of vegetables and stuff like that. But that's what I was looking for. The meat, they didn't really have any chicken. So if you never eat pork, they had jerk pork too, which I forgot to mention
right,
that.
they had jerk
If you
pork.
don't eat pork, you don't eat beef. You're kind of at a loss. You'd probably have to have the fish.
Or anything vegetable and stuff.
right.
But they have a wide variety of vegetables and stuff that you can take.
Yeah,
And the
but-
veggies too. So yeah.
But I thought, they could have done a little better with the variety. But
Okay.
overall, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all.
I think we did have a good time. We did have a belly full here, so it was good. Restaurant week. We wish
2017.
we wish we had time to go to more restaurants, but you know it go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But restaurant week, big up yourself. And thing.
Yeah.
So guys, we want to thank you for tuning in to another episode in season 3. Again, this is our restaurant week video.
Yes.
Right, so we went to the Pegasus and we had a nice time at the Blue Window.
Yes, we did. And we also want to remind you guys to give us a like,
yes,
to subscribe if you haven't, you know, to comment as well. Comment if you went anywhere for restaurant week. Let us know where you went. Maybe we can try it another time apart from restaurant week. Because I'm sure you'll be seeing this video quite a bit after restaurant week. So you can let us know if you went out and how you found it, and you give us your rate of the place that you went to as well. Or if you've been here, tell us what you think about it.
Yes.
But we really thank you for tuning in, and we want to say thank you for the love and support, and we will see you in our next episode in season 3 of YaadMentz. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode in YaadMentz season 3. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Yes, and we want you to also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you missed it. YaadMentz season 3.